how to buy Quantum token. So this token came under the symbol of Q. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, go to their website as you can see. Now wait a few seconds to load the page. So as you can see, the pop-up will appear here that said the Quantum or Q token listing Q pair USDT trading on CoinStore. Now click on trade. Now after that, they will redirect you to CoinStore exchange platform, but you need to create an account, or if you have an account, just log in to your account. Now after you log into your account, you will see here this option, select the buy option. Now here what you need to do is just set how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see here, or just drag this to set how much a percentage of USDT that you have on your account to be able to buy with it on your account, to be able to buy with it the Quantum token. Or if you want to market, if you click on market, just drag this to set how much a percentage that you have on your USDT that you will be able to buy with. So after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Quantum token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.